to the beat of my, to the beat of my, to the beat of my heart.
Hi, my name is Brianna. I'm 16, so it's like a 2 years difference. So it's not illegal. Anyways, I'm kind of too nervous to be on camera because you're really attractive. So am I, but you just blew my mind. I like big, strong men who know how to play football. I also think that the way you eat is so sexy. I also love the way you mumble when you talk. Ashley told me you're a sensitive guy. I think that's so sweet. I believe that since I have crabs, I have my own beach in my pants. You could sit on my beach or you can ride your board into my beach anytime. I want to pinch those round cheeks and I don't mean on your face. I love listening to your voice. I'm liking the way you're so shy, but when you're in the camera, you're all I look at. You have no idea how much I adore you. I would totally bang you. And I know you're just gonna love me. I mean, who wouldn't? I'm totally not stalkerish like some people. I'm gonna find you in Pontiac.
I had to do it. She was the competition.